Good morning, cadets. Today I am going to a practical of 9th class. Simple practical identification that different types of plant tissue and animal tissue. Different types of plant tissue and animal tissue. We have already studied in the chapter number 2, tissue. So how can we study it? With the help of permanent slide. So that is the permanent slide. You can see that is the sclerenchyma permanent slide. That is the permanent slide of sclerenchyma, parenchyma, nerve cell, and cardiac muscle. So we have a permanent slide. If you observe with the help of microscope, you can observe that these are the simple structures. So first of all, in the plant tissue, parenchyma. Parenchyma is a simple isometric cells, nucleated and living cells that is usually found in each and every part in the plant. Root, stem and leaf. The main function is to store food material. That is the parenchyma cells. It is a usually round in shape. Number 2, collenchyma. Collenchyma is also a nucleated but dead cell. The intercellular space, that is the intercellular space, that is called intercellular space. Intercellular space. Intercellular space between the cells found in parenchyma, but no intercellular space found in collenchyma. It's a dead cell. The main function is to provide flexibility in the plant, usually found in leaf pedicles. The third one is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is a dead cells. It's a hexagonal and the wall of sclerenchyma is thick because they provide mechanical support. Usually it may be hexagonal or it may be round in shape. It's a dead cell. So in the plant side we have three type of cells or three type of tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Parenchyma is a living cell, nucleated. The main function is storage of food material. Collenchyma, the main function provide mechanical support. Usually it's a round in shape. Third one is sclerenchyma. That cell is a hexagonal shape and it is a dead cell. The cell wall made by compact proteinous material, that is called pectin or lignin. That is the material. That's why it's a non-living and strong cells. Similarly, we have a animal tissue. 4 type of tissues in your practical. First of all, smooth muscle, stripped muscle, nerve cell and cardiac muscle. We have 3 type of muscle: smooth muscle, stripped muscle, cardiac muscle and nerve cell. So now we start with first one, smooth muscle. Smooth muscle is a penetrating end of the smooth muscle. It has a nucleus. And strip found in the smooth muscle, that is called sarcofibers या myofibrils. Nucleus, that is the nucleus and that is a sarco or myofibrils. And the outer layer of these muscles is called sarcolemma. That is the sarcolemma. That is the smooth muscle, usually found in involuntary places. Number 2, stripped muscle. That is your muscle. That is a stripped muscle. That called a stripped muscle. Stripped muscle. That is a simple stripped muscle. We have an outer covering, sarcolemma. It also has a nucleus, and that is the band between the muscle. That is the dark band. Then that place is a light band. Dark band, then light band. Dark band, light band. The tissue made up of dark and light band. Next one, it's a cardiac muscle. Muscle number 3, cardiac muscle. Smooth muscle, striated muscle and cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle found in your heart. That's why its name is cardiac muscle. What is the main structure of the cardiac muscle? It's a branched, nucleated, branch and nucleated, sometimes multinucleated and sometimes uninucleated, usually uninucleated. The outer covering is also called sarcolemma, nucleus, the liquid is called sarcoplasm, and that band or that is striation in that cardiac muscle is called striations. Then after the next one, nerve cell. Nerve cell, that is the simple structure. The outer, or we can say the head portion, the upper portion, it's the upper portion, cyton, and the lower portion, axon. So cyton have dendron, the single branch is called dendron, and then after the branch divided into two or more branches, that is called dendrites. Dendron, dendrites. Then nucleus present in the nerve cell, and neuroplasm, that is the liquid is called neuroplasm. Dendron, dendrite, neuroplasm and nucleus. Then after lower portion, that is the axon. The axon is a straight tubular structure. The axon covered by the myelin sheath. The sheath is called myelin sheath. The covered layer is called myelin sheath. Myelin sheath. In between the myelin sheath, we have a nucleus or we have a cell. This cell is called Schwann cell. And in between myelin sheath, we have a node. That node is called node of Ranvier. Node of Ranvier, and the end point is called synapses. The end point is called synapses. So that is about the plant and animal tissue. The rapid division is parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma in the plant side. In the animal side, smooth muscle, striated muscles, cardiac muscle and nerve cell. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, smooth muscle, striated muscle, cardiac muscle and nerve cell. We can observe these all type of tissues or cells with permanent slide, with the help of permanent slide. If you watch it on the microscope with permanent slide, then you are able to see that this kind of structure. That is a just observation. Thank you.